Mama, Mama. What I did? Abi good. Hey, Papa. Listen now. Yes, we will start our class right now. Listen, all must turn on your camera. Camera should be on. Okay, Ashwant. Even something I wrote, I send the mail. You just check, okay, Ashwant. Yes, handwriting, you have to improve handwriting. If you want to join all the classes, you can join for all the special classes to Ashwant. Okay, ma'am will teach you the handwriting. Handwriting should be nice. Jane also, you must do cursive writing. Now we'll start our class now. Now I'm going to show you something, children. I'm just going to show you the picture of a mango. So you have to just see to it. Many sentences you can write, the color of the mango, and what is it, whether it's tasty and all that, juicy or whatever it is. In the same way, I'll show you. In the same way, you have to draw any 5 pictures. Children, I'm not showing the presentation because I want to explain to you. You have to draw 5 pictures, any 5 pictures. It can be a ball, it can be an elephant, it can anything, any 5 things, okay? But you have to write 1 sentence about it. If you are drawing an apple, and apple is a tasty fruit, it is one sentence, only 1 sentence. I'll be showing many sentences now, but you have to draw 1 picture of any item, anything. It can be a fruit, it can be an animal, it can be anything, but you must write about it. Only 1 sentence, proper sentence. Everyone, Kailina, listen carefully. Stop eating in class. Now 2 more months to close the school. Still you all are eating, you all are playing in class. Don't do it. I will show the picture. I will tell you what you have to do. Don't talk in between. Okay, good morning to all. Only 47 children out of 80. So I'm just Naren, you have to attend the class regularly. Otherwise, call will come from the school office every afternoon. Ma'am is going. Ma'am will have to give the names of the children. I'm not threatening or I'm not scaring you. You have to attend the class. Then you will learn better. Okay, Naren. Ma'am will teach everybody. Any doubt, end of the class or at once if you want to ask, you can ask. I will tell you. Okay, now learn the spellings, everything. General spellings you must know. Then only you will be able to write sentences. Let's go to the presentation now. Now see, it's very clear. Don't write anything now. You can write when I ask you to write. Just listen now. Heading is creative writing. Don't write now. Don't write next also. The children are asked to draw any 5 things and write a sentence for each with a describing word, adjective. For example, now the word is color yellow. So, I ate a yellow mango. The mango was tasty. It was juicy. It was big. It was small. That according to you. Now you have to write the full thing what is on the screen in your notebook. Seeing that, you draw 1 picture, write only 1 sentence. So, Cyrus, now you are going to draw a mango. Just imagine. What will you write? Will you write 1 sentence or many sentences?
Many sentences, ma'am.
Iris. Only one sentence for one picture. Now this one I wrote because everybody will give different answers. So you can write, I ate a yellow mango. That's all. But now, for example, you write the whole thing. Then I will tell you what you have to do. Now, Tridib, you tell me, now you're going to draw one apple. What will you write about the apple? Tridib?
Ma'am, I will write one sentence that the apple was red, ma'am.
Okay, red in color, that is adjective. Okay, now, Effie, draw. You are going to draw a lady's finger. Just carrot. What will you write about it, Effie? Carrot. Effie is not there. Okay, Jamima, can you tell me, Jamima?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're going to draw a carrot. What will you write about the carrot? One sentence, only one sentence. What will you write?
A rabbit eats a carrot.
Not rabbit. Okay, very good. The rabbit eats a carrot. But you can use 1 minute. What they're telling is you have to use a describing word. That means you have to write the white rabbit eat an orange carrot. Anyone, a white rabbit eats a carrot. That's enough. So you have to explain about the thing. Describing word should be there. Like apple is red in color, red. The apple is tasty, like that. You see that a describing word should be there. Now, about the rabbit, you're explaining, or the carrot, orange carrot, or juicy carrot, tasty carrot. Now, what you have to do, now let me come back to you. Please take a new page in your classwork note. There should be a describing word, big, small, color, all that. I'm very happy because all are turning on your cameras now. Write the heading, creative writing. Neat work it should be. Today in class, you are going to draw this mango. Then you will know what you have to do. Please write creative writing. Then ma'am will come back and ma'am will tell you. Ma'am is here only. I just want you to write. Then yes, then yes, you finish the heading. Now you see drawing and coloring. After creative writing, just draw CW. Right, number 1, drawing and coloring. Now you must write the next one. After each sentence, you can leave one line if you want. The drawing and coloring you write. The children are asked to draw any 5 things and write a sentence for each with a describing word in it. You can write slowly, you can write neatly. That's very clear now. The children are, T should be capital, write within 2 lines, double rule line. When you write children, you can, rabbit, it's a carrot is a right word, but you have to use a describing word in it. So the white rabbit, orange carrot, or tasty carrot, like that. Tasty, juicy, yellow, big, small, all these are describing words.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My English book pages are to the end.
Over.
Yes.
Who's this, ma?
Neral.
Naren, what up, Niral?
Niral,
You
ma'am.
take another double rule book. Any book you have, you take. Any extra
Okay.
notebook, if you have, take it. Okay. Otherwise, in home study, no problem. You can use any notebook. Okay, children. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Cyrus, have you written the heading? You can continue. You can continue the question. Children are asked to draw 5 items. After that, right side or below that, draw that mango. Please draw, children. 1 minute. Ma'am has drawn this mango here. You can draw in the middle. Below that mango, write all these sentences. Draw a big mango. Then write the sentence. Not very small, quite big. You can take 4 lines or 5 lines. Yes? Yes? Any doubt? You write? 1 minute. 1 minute. What happened?
Ma'am, any fruit we can draw, ma'am?
No, Mitra, you have to write this first. Draw the mango and write about it now. Draw the mango, write about it now.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute, children. 1 minute. Please don't. What is it now? Who's this now? Sachin. Only the mango you have to draw. Only the mango and write. What is on the screen? Do the same thing. That is one example. Why are you drawing another thing? You draw, children. You draw the same picture. Write about it. Draw the same picture. Then below that, you write the sentences. Cyrus, show me a notebook, Cyrus. The children are not understanding. Let me see. I will explain to you. Don't worry. Show me that. Cyrus, show your notebook up. Yeah. After the question, draw the mango in the middle of your page. Below that, write 5 sentences like how I wrote. Very good. Okay, children. Slowly, neatly. Niral, show me a notebook. What happened, Niral? No notebook.
Ma'am, I'm getting my notebook.
Okay, Jemima, did you understand? Show me the notebook, Jemima. Let me see. I like Jemima's behavior. Now she's present every day. She's listening. Write fast, Jemima. Then only I can tell you the next one. Okay. You just write the question. Write, Jemima, write the question. The children are asked to. That is the question. Okay. You write fully. The children are asked to draw 5 items. Then after that, draw the mango. Tridip, show me your notebook, Tridip. Tridip. Show me a notebook, Tridip. Nothing, don't need to finish. Show what you're doing. That's all. Lift. I want to see whether you're doing it right. Show. Lift it. Yeah, mangoes drawn. You just color it. Right below that, all the sentences. Okay. Okay, Tridip. Those who are not attending the class regularly. Okay, Tridip, do it. Color it. You will be getting a call today. Those who are not attending the class. Today I'm going to give the names. I'm not threatening your children. You have to attend. These things, what I'm taking now, you have to understand and do it. Now, Rida, show me a notebook, Rida. Anyone did not send the assignment here? Those who are in class today, 67 of you. Anyone? Sanjit, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Did you send the assignment, Sanjit?
Yes, ma'am.
I did not see yesterday. No, I was checking day before, I think. Okay, now you have to attend all the classes regularly. Okay, these 2 months. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Good, good. Sanjit and Jemima, turn off your mic. Okay, children, right. Kanira, show me a notebook. Children, whenever you're drawing, my, very nice. But where is the question? Where's the question? Show me. Question you did not write.
Mom, I'm writing now only.
Right, write the question. Write fully what ma'am has written. Rida, show me a notebook. Rida, show me a notebook, lift it. Rida, where are the questions, Rida? The children are asked to draw 5 things. Where is it? Children, you have to write drawing and coloring. The children are asked to draw 5 things and write a sentence. This is the question you have to write and do it in class or at home. If it's not,
Ma'am, I have drawn the questions, ma'am, but I didn't got space to draw the mango, ma'am.
Okay, then never mind. Very good. Then you must show me that while you are in a hurry to everybody. Write the question in 1 page, draw the mango next page. Very good. Below that, you start writing. Very good, very good. First, you didn't tell me, no, Rida, so I must inform everybody. Write the questions in 1 page, draw the mango and the sentences below. If you do it in class, only you will not and show me. Whatever work you do, it should be only your work, children. Nobody else should do, okay? Now, I'm coming back to that. And this is the rest, the question 5 things you have to draw. Two things in each page, that is your homework because you won't finish it. You can do 1. I ate, all this you write. But when you draw a picture, you have to write only 1 sentence about it. Do this now. Now do it, do it. Ma'am is here only.
ഭയങ്കര കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാണ് അവര് കഴിക്കാൻ പാലും പഴമും തൈലേന്തി പാലും പഴമും തൈലേന്തി പാലും പഴമും തൈലേന്തി പാലും പഴമും തൈലേന്തി പാലും പഴമും പാലും പഴമും തൈലേന്തി നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ് കുഴപ്പമില്ല. Ay, wow, por como Oh, yeah.
Yes. When you write each sentence, you have to start with the capital letter and with the full stop. Yes. Write neatly. Let me see. Yes, Trideep, have you completed? Don't worry. Let me show the mango. Did anyone finish? Anyone? Yes, Trideep, show me.
Yes.
Trideep is asking out to his mother. Alan, show me a notebook. Let me
Yes.
see. Show me.
Ma'am.
1 minute, Akilan.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Right,
Ma'am.
right. Very good. Right. Yes, Akilan's mom. Ma'am. No, who's calling me? Akilan, what happened? Show me. Okay, Alan, good.
Ma'am, I'm not finished again.
Akilan, I sent a mail to you. You have to redo that and send it because something else you have written that is not right. Name the following something. You have to redo that. Okay. 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 Sujin, have you done? Rita, no. Rita, no. No, Rita. No, only when I ask you, you must show. It's not necessary for everybody to scream now. Let me see. Sujin, show me.
Ma'am,
Show
can you show me the first Roman number?
Yes, 1 minute. Okay, Sujin, why did you color the mango? Show me that. Yes, you have to color it. Sujin, I told you, draw the mango. When you do it, children, draw the picture. Draw the picture. Below that, you write one sentence. Okay. Now let me tell you. Now, take a new page, everybody. Take a new page. What you have to do is, you draw any one picture you like. Small one. Take only 3 lines and draw. Draw the picture in the middle. New page in the middle, one picture. Leave one line, write a sentence about it. Let me see. When you finish, you tell me. You just raise your hand, I will ask you. One picture you do. Sanvi, did you do this mango? Show me, Sanvi.
No, ma'am, I did not do, ma'am.
Okay, do it, do it. Picture is there already. Picture is there. Don't worry, do it, do it. Unless you do that mango, you won't be knowing which one to write, how to write. Okay,
Ma'am,
Sanvi.
I did not finish the mango.
Do it, do it. Ma'am is not taking out that because the next is your own drawing. You draw this first.
But that this screen showed me the unhappy bus, ma'am.
No, what happened?
The screen.
No, 1 minute. Don't do anything. It's not. Oh, 1 minute. Something happened. See ya. It's all right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Sanvi. Thank God you told me because I went to the next. You can finish this mango and listen to me carefully. You do it. Next page, take 3 lines and draw one small picture. Don't color it because I want to know whether the picture is right. Come. Go. Okay. Rida, draw any picture, anything. You can draw an apple. You can draw a cat. But you have to write when cat. When you write about cat, you have to explain. I'm not telling. Let me see how you are going to write. Your own. Alan, what picture you're going to draw, Alan?
Ma'am, apple.
Okay, apple. Nice apple. You can draw it now roughly, and later you can modify it. Okay. Whatever you do, you must do neatly. 3 lines you can take, draw, and below that leave a line and write only one sentence. Now, what are you going to write, Alan, about the apple?
Yes, ma'am. Apple is in red in color.
The apple, T-H-E. The apple is in red color, or the apple is red. That also explaining about the color of the apple. Okay. Then you can write, I will ask you, you just write. Whoever's drawing the picture, you have to write a sentence about it. There should be a describing word.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good, good. You do it. Kanira, what did you draw, Kanira?
Ma'am?
What did you draw?
Ma'am, I draw
Drew.
strawberry, ma'am.
I drew. What did you draw?
Ma'am, I draw strawberry, ma'am.
Okay, strawberry. Okay, no problem. You just draw, color it. You can write about it. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm showing the picture.
Yes? Yes, Sona, beautiful. What did you write about it? Listen.
I drew a flower.
You must not
Pretty
write.
flower.
No. You must not write, I drew a flower. That when I ask, you must write, the flower is
I drew a
beautiful.
pretty flower.
Okay, I drew a
I
pretty.
drew a pretty flower.
Okay, pretty flower. Okay. But actually must write, okay. You no need to write, I drew, the flower is pretty is enough, okay? Because you have to draw. So you must not start with I drew. Okay, never mind, leave it. The same way you can just, only one sentence, that's right. You can color the petals now. Color the petals. Color. Any one color you give. Like that. How many items, how many things you have to draw, Sona? How many? 5. 5 pictures. Small pictures. Okay. And write one sentence. Yes. Now, hope all would have understood the question. Okay, Rida, what did you draw, Rida? Children, whoever I'm seeing on the screen, I'm calling. Sona, very good. And children, if you have any doubt, you have to ask me. Children, I'm handling maths, EVS, English, okay? Without, you have to ask other teachers.
Ma'am.
Mangoes over. Draw the next one.
Ma'am, I draw the apple and
No. Rida, that's what I'm telling you. You didn't understand the question. When you draw the next picture, write about it down. Then after that, write the next picture.
Yes, ma'am, I am writing, ma'am.
No, you are drawing all 3 pictures in one page. The lady's finger can go to the next one.
Okay.
Okay. One picture and right below that. Don't be going on putting all that together, crowded like. Children, Hindi, Tamil, computer, all that you have to ask those teachers the doubt. Not to me, okay? And children, many have sent the assignment. I started correcting it. Many mistakes. That means you are not starting with the capital letters, certain festivals and the names. All that you have to do. And about the principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, you have to start with capital P. Principal is the head of our institution. So always must. This time I didn't reduce mark for that. Next time, if you don't do it, Holy, Christmas, all that you have to write capital letters. Okay. Keep in your mind. Proper nouns, all this. Okay. Now then, spelling mistakes I have reduced because you have to learn the spellings. And rest and relax, rest and play, anything what you have written, I have given mark. Okay, it's generally whatever answer you have given, I have given mark. So no complaints. Exact word is relax. Granth Sahib. Adi Saibinal, I just reduced mark because you have to write exactly the full name of each one. Learn properly, okay? Those who didn't get the remark, only we will do the correction. Now, Sanvi, have you completed the mango? Yeah, do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it, Sanvi. Only 67, some children are missing, never mind. Yes. Now, Joshika, show me your notebook, Joshika. You have to draw today itself after the class 5 things and write only one sentence about it, okay? After checking that only, I will start next day class. Show me to the camera, it's a little bit dark. Something happened. Yeah, good. Now do the next one. You have to draw 5 things. So you can start the first one, number 1. What happened? Yes. Only 1 minute more left. You have to get ready for the next class. EBS. By the time I'll tell you. Niral, did you understand what you have to do? Okay. Did you get another book, Niral?
Ma'am, I got home study. I'm writing in home study.
You don't have any other notebook. You can use any notebook, even last year's notebook, okay?
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Jamima, show me. Yeah, what is it, Jamima? It's an Jamima, tell me about it. I cannot see the written work. Picture I can
Ice cream.
Okay. Read what you have written.
I bought an ice cream. It was cold.
Okay, one.
It was a chocolate ice cream.
Okay. Okay, good. Hereafter, you write only one sentence already. Time, you can continue, not now. Later, you can leave the class. You continue writing. Draw the pictures and continue writing. Not now. Now get ready for the next class. You got the full day to write. Okay, children, bye. Now don't be sitting in class. You can take a break. Those who did not eat can go for breakfast. Take a break.